Greetings from the Florida RV Supershow 2018. It's day 2. Well, actually, no, it's day 1 because yesterday doesn't count because it was Industry Day. Let's see some RVs. I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be. 'Cause I'm free in my RV. Well, yeah, this time we decided to hop on the tram and go to the main show entrance first. To the main hall, where they have the Pleasure Ways and the RoadTreks, Airstreams, Prevo buses, you know, all the good stuff, I guess.
Or don't care.
Hey, where are the Prevo?
The Prevos?
Yeah.
I think they're inside.
By the way, it is perfect weather here at the Florida State Fairgrounds.
All the dreams
to me. Oh yeah, nothing like nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
Where's the next vehicle?
Yeah, that's the antique Ford that I showed you yesterday.
You guys didn't bring us coffee and donuts.
Step up, look inside. Oh, today it's open.
Usually they have coffee and donuts for us too.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
He didn't give you the cell phone number. I don't have the cell phone. Smart man. Yeah.
Let's go inside. Yes. No, it's Sony.
Batteries all charged?
Yeah, I got 6 batteries. I got for the whole day. This is the Pleasure Way Plateau XLTD. Perhaps not the one for us, but very nice. This one is a twin bed model, white body, which is quite nice, and I'm sure this converts into a whole bed somehow. I'm sure there's some kind of platform here. We have the galley with the 2 burner, and there's it's on the small-ish side.
Yeah, that twin bed makes into a bed that ends up being 76 by 84 if you want it to. If you want it to, yes.
It's a nice dry bath. Very cool. See, and it could be okay, and you could sleep.
Well, you can sleep that way if you want to.
East, west, or north, south.
Two twin beds now.
Right.
And underneath of the 2 little front panels, there's a little piece of wood.
Right.
It simply slides over.
Mm-hmm.
You take the 2 bolsters and lay it in there, and you've got a king size bed.
Right. This. No. Okay, I see. This pulls out, right?
It's the other side.
Oh, the other side. Okay, I see. All right. Yeah. Cool. This is a 3-way.
And then you got a full shower.
Okay, yes, this is a nice compromise. I do fit laying down like this, and then we could have like a table here. And this is nice. Pretty decent wardrobe here. Look at the bathroom. The bathroom is awesome.
I just took a shower in mine last night, exactly like
Yeah,
that.
these are nice because most of the vans they only have a wet bath. This one is
dry bath, and I'm 6'2" and I fit fine.
Yeah. Oh, this is.
You've got your USB plug right there.
Oh.
Power.
Okay.
When
A laptop with
the seat turns around, you've got a workstation there. When this one's turned around, this flips up.
And you have river, so you can
That's-
put all the stuff in there. If you
Yeah,
need
all
to,
my hard drives will go in there. Yeah.
You've got automatic
Right.
generator starts.
And you have.
That's-
And you can turn off the lights from right here.
Oh yeah, everything is done there or back in the back. We've got another panel back there on right above the TV.
Oh, I see. See, is that multiplex wiring?
Oh yeah, that's when you open a cabinet door, you
And
don't see any.
we have solar panel too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because I see the voltage meter. That's. Oh, there. Plateau XLTS, and This is on the short list of favorites so far. It has some... Well, it's dark, but it's okay, an arm length, more or less. And this is a little less. And more storage. Backup camera, of course, everybody has that now. The sewer hose is in the back, and it has, okay, here we go. Okay, this one's pretty deep too, like an arm length. Let's say 4.5 deep. We have a Lexor FL, and this also has this, you know, the lights on the tablet, which is all the Pleasure Ways have that now. Truma Aqua Go, and well, this is pretty much similar to what we've seen. You can have 2 twin beds, or you can. Let me see if I fit sleeping east-west back here. Barely, but I do fit. And actually, this is a very similar floor plan to the other one. It's just narrower, so you have a wet bath. And no little tables in the front. Oh, there's the little table here. And maybe there's something we could put here. That's the sofa as a bed. Yeah, we both fit there.
That's more than doable.
Everything is through this little screen. That possibility is very similar to that one, just in a narrower, more miniature scale. I'm starting to like these little screens. They're growing into me. And this is RoadTrek. And this is their shorter model here, the RoadTrek. It has a very small wet bath, but it works. And you know, the sofa bed that turns into be 2 twin beds. There's the wardrobe. There's the power sofa. There's storage all over the place. We have a pure sine wave inverter. I don't know how many watts. This seems to be a pure electric because we have an induction cooktop. We have a compression refrigerator, regular Dometic. This is a convection microwave. There's this table here that deploys out like this, and I guess if both of you are sitting there, we could eat. And this is also prep. Actually, there's a lot of counter space here to prep. So,
any questions in there?
no, we're good. Yeah.
Here, you know,
this
it
is
takes
all
a lot of
electric.
power.
This is all electric, right? No propane in here.
No, you got the 200 amp hours, right? Each of these are 200 amp hour. You got the volt
That's a
start
lot,
system. So no propane in this.
No propane, yeah,
Solar,
yeah.
volt start, and the lithium pack.
How many watts of solar you have?
I don't know what's on this
One or two?
particular one. There's probably 2 up here. There are probably 200 watts up here.
EcoTrack, 300 watt. That's good.
For this size coach, it's perfect, man.
Yeah.
Perfect,
yeah,
perfect,
yeah.
perfect.
Yeah, and this is what 19 long or something like that.
20, yeah, you know, stem to
20,
stem.
yeah,
Right, right, right.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you a card, sir, if I may.
All right, thanks.
Where do you
Yeah.
live?
Miami.
Okay, I do a lot of Miami, man. It's amazing no one's got these over there. I do a lot of these coaches because I'm in Nokomis in Sarasota. I
yeah,
get a lot of people from Miami.
Yeah, there's nothing in Miami.
There's nothing, right?
Nothing at all.
I figured there would be because of the weather.
I had to go to Fort Myers to buy my.
You did?
Yeah, I have a trailer right now, but I want to move up to a Class B.
These are great. See the heat?
That's is it Truma or is it something else?
Here, check this.
Or this is the Aldi, right? This is the Aldi.
This is the Aldi. It
You
has
have
its
the
own
Aldi.
diesel system.
Yeah.
You know what's nice? Do you ever go to cold weather?
Not much, but
Well, it has a
plan
little
to.
recirculator switch up here. Most people don't know about. Right here is a little recirculator switch. So I can set that LD system to take all that hot water and wrap it around the motor if I'm in a cold scenario because of the diesel for a glow plug. Kind of cool,
Perfect.
right?
That's cool,
You
man.
can also do summer mode where it only does the hot water for the shower.
Okay,
So
so you don't waste as much. Okay.
Correct, you know, and that's so you can do a little both. So it's a nice system. You don't waste any energy.
That's great. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
This Zion SRT is pretty cool too. And we do have. It's 19.7, 37 gallons, black 9.6, gray 22, which is not bad. Okay, let's look at it real quick. You can put a table here. There's a workstation here, which is pretty cool, and I don't want to break it. And the wet bath, of course. And back here is a pretty standard stuff, the sofa bed with these two. If we get one of these, we would try to figure out how to. This one does have a propane system, but he said that it has a lithium batteries. The salesman told me that. So yeah, this seems to be a compressor-based refrigerator. So the only thing that uses propane is the cooktop. And it doesn't have an oven, it's just a tiny microwave. But hey, it's short, right? Everything is a compromise. The 190 Poplar. And this is 20.5 feet long. It's very short. This is what it looks like inside. Propane. Little fridge. You see in the back. Watch your head. If you have enjoyed traveling with us, make sure you are subscribed and check out my other videos. Also, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment. Now, if you really liked it, you have a chance to show your support at patreon.com/travelingrobert. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you on the road.